Hey, it's Sam with Just Grillin' Outdoor Living. I want to personally thank you for supporting Just Grillin' and purchasing a bottle of our Pure Clean grill cleaner. This stuff works phenomenal. You're going to absolutely love it. I'm going to show you what you need and how to use it. The Pure Clean grill cleaner is a very powerful cleaner, which is great because you're not going to need that many tools. Outside of the cleaner itself, I recommend having a pair of gloves, disposable gloves, and a roll of paper towels. For the average grill at home, this is going to do a phenomenal job. I'm going to show you what it looks like on the greasiest grates that we have, which are going to be in our gravity feed because we're slow smoking fat cuts in here all day. First thing you want to do is make sure that you put your protection on. The next step is going to be a fielder's choice. It's really going to depend on what type of grill you have. This is a deep cabinet smoker, so I'm going to pull the grate out so I can access it a lot easier. On a gas grill, you can just leave the grates right in there. The next step is just going to be to use the spray. You don't have to do very much to get it ready. Give it 4 gentle shakes and you're ready to spray. You don't need to spray very much. If you have some stubborn spots, you might just need to use a little bit more. And you want to let it soak in for a couple of minutes. 2 to 3 is generally enough, but again, if you have stubborn spots, maybe spray a little bit more, let it soak in a little bit longer. When it's time to wipe, just use your paper towel, put a little bit of pressure. See how everything just melts right off. Once you're done cleaning the grates, you need a damp cloth. A white film you're going to notice will start to appear, so the damp cloth will wipe that right off and help clean them up. You can see just how powerful of a cleaner this is and how easy it was to get those grates cleaned right up. And if I wanted to be a stickler for some of those stubborn spots, all I'm doing is repeating the same exact 3 easy steps. If your bottle doesn't have grease stains on it or look like this by the time you're done using it, you either need to start cooking more or you're doing something wrong. If you have questions on the cleaner, just leave them in the comments below or give one of the associates a call at the store. We'd be glad to answer them for you. Thanks for supporting us, and we'll see you when it's time for a refill.